Good afternoon, everyone. That, yes. Welcome.
मैम एक सेकंड मैम सामने
Thank
मैम
you.
आ जाए सॉरी
I'm wishing it all the beautiful ladies.
लिख लिया
Thank you. Thank you. Want to start with the media? Want to start with the media by
Kasoor, Water, The World Unseen, and 4 more shots, please. In 2009, she openly shared her diagnosis of multiple myeloma, reshaping conversations around illness. And mind you, everyone, boldly calling herself a cancer graduate. Wow. Her blog and memoir, Close to the Bone, explored vulnerability and healing.
भाई लगाइए वांट टू बाउंस करो बढ़िया
हुआ है आज एक नए अफसाने का ताजे हिंद की हम औरतों के जमाने का We are ever inspired, thereby nurturing individual and collective growth. May I request you, Varsha, to please take the stage and deliver the welcome note. Welcome you to the Change of Guard ceremony. Celebrates leadership and
Here we are, a founding member as well. We extend our
contributed in our own unique ways, laying foundation with it is with deep sense of gratitude and a full heart that I stand before you today as the 6th chairperson of Fikiflow JKL. This moment is not just a personal milestone for me, but a reflection of the trust and belief that this wonderful community has placed in me. Thank you for that. As I step into this role, I carry a mix of emotions, excitement, responsibility, and yes, a few apprehensions too. There's a quiet awareness of the big shoes I'm stepping into, but also a strong belief that with your support, your encouragement, and our collective strength, we can create something truly meaningful together. It gives me immense pride and honor to share that we have with us today Ms. Isa Ray. Her journey is truly inspiring, marked by resilience, courage, and grace. She embodies everything that Flow stands for: strength, individuality, and power of rising despite challenges. Having her amongst us today is not just a privilege, but also a reminder of what a woman can achieve.
Women of Fikiflow JKL, it's truly a real pleasure to be here. It's actually, I was thinking about it, it is officially my first time to Jammu. It's my very first time to Jammu. I've been to Srinagar, but this is the more, slightly more serious grown-up version, would you say, maybe, of Jammu, right? And I'm sorry, can I please make a request so that the audience can see, if we can make a story that is told enough in society. And that is one of the reasons why I enjoy sharing my story, because I think very passionately that we have to change the story that is told about women, about our journey, about aging, about what we are capable of, and how there's no limits to what we can achieve, regardless of how old you are.
I just took my first question.
Oh no, I'm sorry. I do that a little bit, so
That's
but
really
excuse
nice.
me.
You actually set the tone, because I just wanted to ask you a question. Like when you stepped in the spotlight at 16, what you just said, you were confused 16-year-old. What do you say?
So just to give a little bit of context, we're going way back to the 90s.
We are starting with our story from
The early 90s. I often call myself an accidental actress. And it's actually what happened.
Bharti Kashyap. Those who have shaped this journey as we invite our sustainability. She currently is the National Initiative Head for Visual Arts and is also the governing body member for FICCI Flow National since 5 years, further strengthening her commitment and cultural expression, an embodiment of elegance.
Served as the National Initiative Head, Partnerships and Collaborations, and continues to contribute as governing body member, a position past 5 years. Currently, she holds the prestigious role of National
25 with vision and dedication. She has been closely associated with Digital Literacy Initiative 2025-26.
And finally, we will be honoring Aarti Chaudhary. We are honoring our immediate past.
Oh my gosh, it's making me nervous. You want me to? Yes, please.
Vice Chairperson Sona
Okay.
motherhood and spending time with her little newborn.
I think I'm being good so far.
Yes, everyone, please.
Ladies, now we will call upon the stage the advisory members, and we'll just.
I'm Samne. Done. Okay.
She's here, Sanya Bansal. Then Ridhima ji.
Done. Look where. Sonan. Bye. Thank you. Thank you.
JKL members.
Varsha ma'am, please. Everybody look straight.
The Aarti does it the right way.
Look, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Yes. Okay. Wait. Thank you.
First of all, I'm very happy to be in Jammu. I've gone to Srinagar quite a few times. Jammu not so often, but I'm very happy to be here for this beautiful event for FICCI Flow. FICCI Flow is such an important organization because it's really the power of women. And women, I believe in India, have the power to change society and empower not just other women, empower men also. So we are here for talk. I'm going to be sharing some of my life story and also the changing of the guard.
We're really
as
looking
well.
forward to that. You were there.
Do you want to say a few words?
Just basically the idea is what why having her makes so much sense, and it really reflects what we are trying to take. Is power to empower, and you have the right to take your life, in your own hand, and you can make what you want to do at any stage of life. There's no full stop to it. Anytime you want, you can take a step and move, and these are it completely embodies that particular line to the T.
जी देखिए आज हमारा चेंज ऑफ गार्ड हो रहा है जहाँ पे मिसेस आरती चौधरी विल पास द बैटन टू मिसेस वर्षा बंसल एंड मिस लीजा रे इज आवर चीफ गेस्ट हु विल बी शेयरिंग her inspiring journey with our members. And today we'll be launching a privy manual for the members. And Mrs. Varsha Bansal इस साल एक skilling center खोलना चाह रही हैं, and we are hopeful that it will be completed this year only. And we are having events in Kashmir also. May में श्रीनगर में health camp होगा, and then there will be a pop-up for the members. And we're looking forward to a good start this year under her leadership. Thank you.
ये हमारी FICCI की एक it is a policy of FICCI that every year there's a new chairperson who comes in. So I officially take over the chairperson, chairperson of FICCI Flow JKL in the state UT of Jammu Kashmir.
तो मेरे बाद रूपिका सहाय आएंगी, तो ये हमारा है। इस साल हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव ये रहेगा कि हमें अपना पहला स्किलिंग सेंटर सेटअप करना है जम्मू में। तो हमारे जितने भी प्रोग्राम्स हैं, जो भी चलेगा, उसका मेन एम यही रहेगा टू कलेक्ट फंड्स, रेज फंड्स टू सेट अप द स्किलिंग सेंटर, बिकॉज वी बिलीव व्हेन अ woman is empowered, the society is empowered. When a woman rises, the society rises.